Chapter 7 P Block Elements 12 Signs Part 12 Compounds of Group 17.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Do watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. In this video, we will study about the preparation, properties and uses of compounds of group number 17.
Chlorine was first discovered in 1774 by Scheele. In 1810, Davy suggested the name chlorine on account of its color. It is derived from a Greek word chloros, means greenish yellow. Hence, chlorine is a greenish yellow gas with pungent and suffocating odor. It is soluble in water. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air and it can be liquefied easily. It is prepared in the laboratory by any of these following reactions, either from MnO2, KMnO4 or by reaction between MnO2 NaCl with sulfuric acid. Industrially, chlorine can be manufactured by Deccan's process by reacting hydrochloric gas and oxygen gas. Chlorine is also obtained by electrolysis of concentrated solution of NaCl known as brine, where chlorine is liberated at anode. Properties of chlorine. Chlorine can react with both metals and non-metals, forming its salt. It has greater affinity for hydrogen. It reacts with compounds containing hydrogen to form HCl. Chlorine also reacts with ammonia. With excess ammonia, chlorine gives nitrogen and ammonium chloride, whereas with excess chlorine, it gives nitrogen trichloride, which is an explosive. Chlorine reacts with cold and dilute NaOH to form sodium hypochlorite, whereas with hot and concentrated NaOH, it forms sodium chlorate along with water and NaCl. It reacts with unsaturated hydrocarbons to give addition products, whereas with saturated hydrocarbons to give substitution products. Chlorine water on standing loses its yellow color due to formation of HCl and HOCl. The hypochlorous acid thus formed gives nascent oxygen, which is responsible for the oxidizing and bleaching action of chlorine. Chlorine is used for bleaching wood pulp, paper, textiles, cotton, etc., in the extraction of gold and platinum, in the manufacture of drugs and many other organic compounds, DDT, refrigerants, etc. It is used for sterilizing drinking water and mainly in the preparation of poisonous gases such as phosgene, tear gas, mustard gas, etc. In 1648, Glauber prepared hydrogen chloride by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid. Later on, Davy in 1810 showed that it contains two elements, hydrogen and chlorine. Hence, in the laboratory, it is prepared by treating NaCl with concentrated H2SO4. Hydrogen chloride is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. Its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. It is highly soluble in water. It reacts with ammonia to give dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. This is a test for recognizing the presence of hydrochloric gas. The mixture containing 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid forms aqua regia. Aqua regia can dissolve noble metals like gold, platinum, etc. due to formation of complexes. Hydrochloric acid decomposes salts of weaker acids. When HCl reacts with finely powdered iron, it forms ferrous chloride and do not form ferric chloride due to liberation of hydrogen, which prevents the formation of ferric chloride. Oxoacid means compounds of hydrogen, oxygen and other elements like halogen, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. Halogen forms several oxoacids. Most of them cannot be isolated in pure state. They are stable only in aqueous solution or in the form of their salts. Halogen forms a number of oxoacids in different oxidation states. In +1 oxidation state, it is known as hypohalous acid. In +3, halous acid. In +5 oxidation state, halic acid, whereas in +7 oxidation state, it is known as perhalic acid. Fluorine forms only one oxoacid in +1 oxidation state. The reason why fluorine forms only one oxoacid is its high electron negativity and smaller size. There is absence of d orbital in fluorine and hence fluorine cannot expand its octet. Halogen forms a number of oxoacids. While writing the structure of oxoacids of halogen, halogen is present as a central atom and is bonded with one OH bond as XOH. In some cases, it is bonded with X double bond O bond. For example, in hypochlorous acid, there is XO single bond, whereas in chlorous acid, X double bond O is present. The following are the structures of chloric acid and perchloric acid. Now let us study about the acid strength of oxoacids. First, let's compare the acid strength of oxoacids with different halogens but same oxidation state. In this case, more electron negative is the halogen, more acidic is its oxoacid. For example, in the first example, HOF greater than HOCl greater than HOBr greater than HOI. Here, the oxidation state of halogen is +1 in all the cases. In this example, since fluorine is smallest in the size, it is highly electron negative. Hence, HOF has more acid strength compared to HOCl, HOBr, HOI, etc. Similarly, in other examples, the oxidation state is common for all halogens, but smaller is the size, more is the electron negativity of the halogen and more acidic is its oxoacid. Now let us compare different oxoacids of same halogens. More the oxidation number of halogen, more is the acid strength of oxoacid. For example, in HOX less than HOXO less than HOXO2 less than HOXO3, you can see that the oxidation number of the halogen increases. So, we can say that HOXO3 is having +7 oxidation state of the halogen. Hence, HOXO3 is highly acidic in nature. Interhalogen compounds. When two different halogens react with each other, they form interhalogen compounds. They have general formula XX-, XX-3, XX-5 and XX-7, where X is the halogen of larger size and X- is the halogen of smaller size. By keeping the halogens in equimolar amount or by increasing or decreasing the concentration of any of the halogen, we can prepare a number of interhalogen compounds by the following reactions. Interhalogen compounds are covalent molecules and diamagnetic in nature. They are highly reactive as compared to halogen because XX- bond is weaker compared to XX bond in halogen. Interhalogen compounds, they readily get hydrolyzed by water. They react with water to form their corresponding acids. Shapes of interhalogen compounds. XX- is linear in shape with sp3 hybridization. XX-3 is having bent T shape and has sp3d hybridization. XX-5 is square pyramidal with hybridization of sp3d2. XX-7 is pentagonal bipyramidal having hybridization of sp3d3. Interhalogen compounds are used as a catalyst in few reactions. They are very useful fluorinating agents and normally used as non-aqueous solvents. UF6, which is used in the enrichment of uranium-235, is produced by using interhalogen compounds. Here are some of the important questions which are very commonly asked in board exam. You all are requested to practice these questions by writing